Supercomputing Asia 2025 Singapore.
It is very much about making sure that we have the right infrastructure and capabilities to help Singapore and Singaporeans make the best of the opportunities in the digital age. These initiatives I spoke about, developing infrastructure, nurturing talent, and building partnerships, are part of the holistic efforts that draw on the best of the research community as well as our industry members.
Together, these technologies are accelerating progress at an unprecedented scale. HPC provides the computational power needed for AI training, simulations, and real-time data processing, while quantum computing has the potential to solve challenges beyond the reach of classical architectures.
Ladies and gentlemen.